If you're considering Folk CRM and wondering if it's the right choice for your business, you've come to the right place. Today, I'll walk you through 7 things you absolutely need to know before buying Folk CRM, especially when compared to other solutions on the market. Stick around until the end because I'll also tell you how to try Folk for free with exclusive benefits. First up, Folk CRM stands out with its focus on simplicity and customization. Unlike other CRMs, such as HubSpot or Salesforce, which can feel overwhelming with tons of features, Folk provides a clean, intuitive interface. It's perfect for those who want a CRM that doesn't come with a steep learning curve, but still offers the essential tools for growing your business. You won't need a team of experts just to manage your contacts. Folk keeps things streamlined. Next, Folk offers great flexibility when it comes to organizing your contacts. Whether you want to track your clients by project, by stage in the sales pipeline, or by anything else, Folk allows you to create custom views and tags. This is a big win over more rigid systems like Pipedrive, which often limits how you categorize and filter data. Folk is built for businesses that need to adapt their CRM around their unique workflow. This adaptability gives you the power to work the way that's best for your team, not the way the software dictates. The third thing you need to know is that Folk really shines in its collaborative features. The ability for teams to leave internal notes, tag each other, and track conversations in one place is a huge plus. This is something that's often more cumbersome in traditional CRMs like Zoho or even close competitors like Copper. Folk's collaboration features make it feel less like a tool and more like a central hub for your team's day-to-day operations. Next thing, Folk CRM's integrations are a strong point. If you're already using tools like Google Workspace, Slack, or Zapier, Folk integrates seamlessly with them, and if you use more niche software, it's not a problem. Folk allows for custom integrations, which is something many other CRMs overlook. It works with your existing tools and lets you avoid the usual pain of migration or learning to use something completely new. It's built to complement your current tech stack. The fifth thing to know is that Folk really prioritizes automation. From automating your email campaigns to sending follow-up reminders, Folk saves you time by doing the repetitive tasks for you. This is a major benefit when compared to CRMs that don't offer the same level of automation flexibility or can get bogged down by unnecessary complexity. When your business grows, this kind of automation becomes critical for scaling without increasing your workload. Another thing is Folk's advanced reporting and analytics. Unlike some CRMs that bury their insights in complicated dashboards, Folk's reports are clear, actionable, and easy to understand. Whether you're tracking sales progress, engagement, or team performance, Folk makes it easy to see what's working and where you need to improve. The clean, user-friendly reports set it apart from other options like Monday.com, which often requires extra setup or third-party tools to get the same level of insights. And lastly, Folk CRM's customer support is top-notch. From live chat to in-depth tutorials, the team behind Folk is genuinely dedicated to making sure you succeed. This is an area where many larger CRM companies fall short, offering long wait times or complicated ticketing systems. Folk keeps it personal and responsive, helping you solve problems quickly without endless back and forth. So, now that you know the 7 key things to consider before buying Folk CRM, let me tell you how you can try it for yourself. Click the first link in the description to get an exclusive free trial that will give you all the features you need to start growing your business with Folk. If you're serious about simplifying your CRM, saving time, and scaling your business, Folk is a great choice. Don't miss out on the free trial and the exclusive benefits. Click the link below.